Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to log into PayPal account. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up a web browser. Now in the search bar, type in paypal.com. After you come across this official page, click on the login option in the top section of your screen. Here, you'll have to enter your email address or mobile number associated with your account. If you do not remember your email address, then click on Forgot Email link. Also, if you do not have an account yet, then you can click on Sign Up option. Then tap on Next button. Then you'll have to enter your password. If you do not remember your password, then you can click on Forgot Password link. After entering your details, click on the Login button to proceed. And that is how you can log into PayPal account. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.